We have been looking at the wrong part of the Apple Watch this entire time. For years, we have stared at the screen, hoping for a magic trick. We wanted a thinner body, a wilder shape, or a futuristic design. But the real revolution is not happening under the glass. It is happening in the one part of the watch you touch every single day but completely ignore. Apple is about to turn your watch strap into a living, breathing computer. This is a massive shift in how we think about wearable technology. It is a quiet move that could change everything. For a long time, the smartwatch has been stuck. If you look at the industry right now, every brand is hitting a massive physical wall. You can only pack so many sensors into a tiny metal box. If you add more, the battery dies in hours. If you make the battery bigger, the watch becomes a heavy block on your wrist. Nobody wants to wear a brick. So tech companies have been forced to play a game of copy and paste. They change a color, they tweak an angle, but nothing truly changes. This brings us to the biggest secret in the smartwatch world right now. If you bought an Apple Watch recently, you might have noticed something strange. It feels exactly the same as the one from 2 years ago, and you are completely right. Inside the current models, Apple has been using almost the exact same processor chip for nearly 3 years. The Series 11, 10, and 9 are basically running on the same brain. For a company that rules the chip industry, this is wild. It felt like Apple was coasting. It felt like they ran out of ideas. But now we know the truth. They were not lazy, they were waiting. The upcoming Series 12 is finally going to break this 3-year dry spell. Leaks show that a brand new processor is coming. This chip is built from scratch to be incredibly fast and highly efficient. It is designed to handle massive amounts of real-time data without killing your battery. But a fast chip needs something cool to do. It needs a challenge, and that is where the real surprise comes in. A highly respected insider named Kasutami recently dropped a massive hint. Apple is building a brand new health sensor, but they are not putting it inside the watch. They are embedding it directly into the silicone watch band. This is a brilliant engineering trick. By moving the technology to the strap, Apple instantly solves the space problem. The watch body can stay thin, light, and beautiful. Meanwhile, the band does the heavy lifting. This new smart band is not going to be a luxury leather strap or a heavy metal link. The leaks say it is being designed specifically for the standard silicone and fluoroelastomer bands. These are the soft, sporty straps that most people wear to the gym or to bed. This choice makes perfect sense. These bands stretch, they fit tightly against your skin, and they can handle water and sweat. But this raises a lot of massive questions. How will we buy this? Will it come in the box, or will it be a premium add-on? Imagine a world where you do not need to buy a whole new watch to get better health features. You could just walk into an Apple store, buy a $50 strap, and suddenly your watch has brand new powers. It is a brilliant business move that could create a whole new market for modular tech. So what will this smart strap actually do? While we do not have official confirmation, we can look at Apple's secret patents to solve the mystery. One major theory is real-time hydration tracking. The smart band could use tiny sensors to analyze the chemistry of your sweat. It could tell you exactly when your body is running low on water. It could warn you about dehydration long before you feel thirsty. This would be a dream come true for runners, athletes, and anyone who struggles to drink enough water during a busy day. Another incredible possibility is muscle movement tracking. The sensors on the back of a normal watch can only track your wrist movement, but a smart band wraps entirely around your wrist, sitting right on top of your tendons. As you flex your hand, lift weights, or run, those tendons move. A smart strap could track those microscopic movements. It could tell you if your form is wrong while lifting. It could act as a virtual gym coach, giving you feedback that no other device on Earth can offer. But we have to address the giant rumor in the room. As soon as people heard about a smart band, they started whispering about blood sugar. For years, millions of people have been waiting for non-invasive glucose tracking. It is the holy grail of health tech. People hoped this smart band would finally make that dream a reality. But we need to look at the cold, hard facts. Apple is indeed working on blood sugar tracking, but it is not coming to a watch band. The technology they are building is incredibly complex. It relies on silicon photonics, which uses advanced lasers to shine light through your skin to read glucose levels. This process requires absolute precision and a lot of power. It has to be housed in the main body of the watch, directly pressed against your wrist with a solid glass backing. A flexible, moving silicone strap simply cannot hold that kind of delicate laser system. So, do not expect blood sugar tracking from this strap, but do expect other mind-blowing features. In my opinion, this is the most exciting thing to happen to the Apple Watch in a decade. We do not need slightly thinner screens or new metal colors. We need smart solutions to real physical limits. By turning the strap into an active piece of technology, Apple is opening a door that no other company has unlocked yet. It is smart, it is practical, and it could make health tracking incredibly precise. This product could completely redefine what a smartwatch can do. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.